Kwenda kubaramukiya haba kutuhondera ha Kitara TV amabara Julius Chomuhendo musajja muliso muhaba mwoli. This is enu niyo entertainment show ekusinga hano Bunyoro. Buraga no yenda the state of Bunyoro entertainment officially enu show niyo raga. Tuina MC we yanjuri bakumanyire that time tukabaha show ham.
Enkabulikiro banyeta MC Tairo, Mr. Corporate. Ba MC we mikoro, mbaga, mba hype man, mba show host, parties zone, na get togethers, birthday parties. Yeah, that is MC Taira bakira bakuliva Mr. Corporate. Munta akira kuba corporate. Nkira kuba Akefa Rhymes buli kya katano mu live band ningi hostinga, then na kya mukaga actually after this show kugenda HB mu Unplugged Saturdays nkira kora no mwana mmoja beta Sir Dickens together with the Rock Note band. Then afterwards nja kuba nyegaita okunyumira of course na live band ndija kuba negarukaho ndugire mu band ya HB egena kuba Arrows Bar.
Arrows kirokini baina nanka.
Yeah, of course. Baba
every Saturday.
Baba with live band every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
Baita egyo kira kuija. Ndugira HB okwa HB live band yaitwe kira kanga saha inakichwekao itano. Then yane banetandika somba ninduga kuli ni connectinga nimba hano abachali bange for short while.
It seems live band ina Katale. Yeah, because sure. Inkarura nanka na Merano na Tairo live band.
Merano yakatanika live band
yakasatu. But these guys. So you might santi.
Kani bona bakora.
Moso.
Bona bakora. Oiro homani ijo it was so big at Kefa Rhymes live band ijuizege muno.
No, but even this weekend nebaire busy mhoima. Nebaire very very busy.
Yeah, actually abaire sports activities nursing schools
Uganda yona.
Yes.
Actually na hatizi kiagenda maiso
zikahoire so
amkono gobulyo onu DJ MC byona katugambire.
DJ is an artist as well.
Yes, abakurora Kitara TV mbaramukize muno. Mwebale kuhagira Kitara TV, mwebale kuhagira music ya Bunyoro. Amabara ninyowe Mugenyi Elijah aka Melo. From Bunyoro's number one music duo, Melo and Jonah. Yes.
Haton onu mulesere hano kiro kine kitukwenda kudiscussing Tairo kirinti enkoragana hagati yainyo ba MC ba DJ na abazini. For a long time abazini ba Bunyoro na muno bayikaini ma complaining ati mutera bizina byabo mubigino walinga mugani mutera mapiano ga South Africa ni mugenda ni mutera
manya mutera Afrobeat Nigeria
ni muzibara yo
bairiza hano mutera Uganda mutera Western range
bona ni mubamara yo
oyiroho buni tugambe haro DJ kutereka izina kya Serena arutereka ya Jovikela buni that time Jovikela yabaho yagamba timu kutera music yange haro DJ kutera Figo West arateire Jaboy akaja kagamba tibatera music yange. There is a time I think I told you of this story. One of the DJs from Kampala, DJ Lola akaija Akefa playing. The first thing she did to me akabanza kumpabuza mpereza uzina nkamukaga obwahanu obwenja kutera na crowd ka getting excited. Nikali hansi nyamuhereza music. I think that night ekaberi mu abagungu baingi kandi bakabasabire kizina kiterwa omuha ba DJ bayitu yangamba we asetting abija mutalibaniza asettingire geira asimbuire geira nyegenya muheza akaba mwojo beta mumeta RJJ akabalimu kandi nabantu abakira basabire kizina kyaye ari kizina kyaye bakieta kizina kikira ku rocking abaketa bata there's that good song of him bakisabire kandi nawalimu nyamugaye kizina iko nayo kitere. But I want to tell you we are tera kamwe kizina kya Bunyoro nkamgabe kyorugambo kya Figa West okwe kizina bakienda muno we are tera mwe bizina ebyo. There was a difference in the energy in the crowd. Vibe kaimuka. There was excitement. Hati it even went bigger obyate ekizina kya RJJ okwaka balimu abagungu baingi bakasemererwa akabaho omugayiga wa Damigos akabaine biteere ebi byona yabimuhereza. What does that mean? Nti sometimes abantu kale banyumirwa music egere outside but buli botera ekizina kya hano especially ekizina kikuraiminga ekizina kiri hit there is that welcome y'abantu bafuna
bahuli baisana bakuura balomuka
oisana mukwasireho you get so it brings them home. So kwetaga ba DJ bakimanye nti much as okwetaga aba artists bakuletere music but now do your homework wena kumanya ngekizina kinu kiroho
ara ebizina ebi norwa kiruba sire kirugire mbizina biri nomo kifukire nti kiri mu bantu bakimanyire
be a DJ who is updated kende kizina kisere obe nakyo obokitera there is that welcome even the crowd egya kubere mejagamba for sure this is a good DJ who recognizes his home music you get much as music yabwe kubetaka trending ile muno gule mulimo gwawo muzini kugirubasa dekagamba ngo bajagisera on YouTube or what ekizina kira kita trending ngire kijja kuba nikimanyisa na YouTube the number of times it showcases on YouTube edintaito muno so deka ku blaming a DJ kubata kifunire kizina kyawo iwe nayo koro mulimo gwawo koleki osere ba DJs bakwaseki music yawo kado you put that rapport
baita areki bagamba ekizina kisakuba kita trending ngire areki bagamba kuchunchubiza omwana wawe omwana wawe bwaba nacura kizibu mutosa in fact tosa kumulekaho ukachunchubiza wa neighbor you understand hati ikiriza young industry tekiyali into
yes
twina kugisika omwana boko biwo bakumwana bakuletera kizino kahura kina mu vibe nungi nobukikuba kitajja kutaka trending iro babiki tukiteke mu bantu because aba DJ muina nanka you have the capacity kuteke kizina mbantu.
Indeed.
Hati nkai woli DJ kandi oli muzini. Hati hotere byawo wenka.
Nangwa tekoli gamba anti ntere byange nyenka. Well, kugaruka me ekikaguzo kyokagwize kambanze ntandike no kurecognizinga. Indeed, abazini ba Bunyoro bakugezaho they are doing a lot. They are putting in so much.
Doing their best.
Yes, kuroranti bakora music enungi kandi bagi promoting nkunire amanya gabategiro. So kusema muna bana bebalegezaho kandi nkubaterera sawo kuzimya tahanika tuongere kusindika mpaka omaiso omusana tujja gusanga ni guwaka yego na habwekyo yes much as they are pushing or much as we are pushing but I think there is something still missing we still have a little more
habokuba aro muntu yagambire nti at least aba DJ bano noba kuha abazini ba hano locally at least 20% kale 30% at music. Least okimanyire nti abokuba ba DJ baba ne sazi nganka set abakusinga sanka ina singa
definitely hano ba DJs bakira kuba na saa 3
hati musaha
2 to 3
musaha isata za kutelevizina nkabinga 10 bikwika bikuraba hati nke bizina 10 kale katugambe 10 ukatera asatu gabanyuro yensanjo katera Nigeria nkahalo kwe
etorora
what does it cost DJ?
Well hati bintu bino birimu complicated kati ito omanyire kintu kiweta cooperation ujja kwesanga nti enyuma okwo hali nyowe naiwe teyiro tutaba habayo bukubagano habaye nkokora osabutamanya halebe rugire kionka DJ nensonga ye na artist omu so nacho amu taija kutere ndongo no koroda so obuntu obo it is our responsibility nyowe nko muzini na DJ ajja kutera music yange to find
kuteka enkoragana
kufuna sport yege sport of harmony you know we iron out things to create a good relationship, a good working relationship. You get it? So sincerely bohakubani hakyarumu ensonga nkezo ana nka yijoeza kanda bata atanda mukize ai nankata nyimukize mukono baitu nayo gunyimukize obuntu akugaruke muzeno
nero linda nero aina view ya lesere of which I think it has always been the biggest problem. Obakyaje kugambaho no kabaningi bazana Raymond on wa Raymond tugamba wakabale ntugamba I think aba DJ benda kuba haiguru kusinga abazini, and that has always been a challenge to them. Ndegeza nti umuzina inja kujja ntereza amaju kandi umuzini we narona gamante na nyonyi ndi wa amani hati there is
ati bulomo na kurali mukoto
bulomo ya iranka star
DJ akurali ali mukoto MC akurali ali mukoto baitu nkwejuka there's a time nabenya kwa nyakwera ka story kaba ninkyali Kampala ntakayizire Hoima I think around 2018 kaba one of those big places Silic Club Silic. I remember Chameleon akaba natongoze kizina kye kya kiri mu mateeka biaize kutongoze kizina ekyo akaija na crew yaye yona Leon Island ba Palaso bona ba Wizo bona baija with the whole crew yaja in the bar yafuna that special recognition all of a sudden bwakana kya stepping in the bar like this ebizina bebe atanika koraki na MC ataka kurangira that tonight we are launching Chameleon's song bakitere mirundi nke akacho bakitere mirundi nke 5 na kyalimu then we agenzere bora kitera ni bagurukaga but already are creating that impact nyowe I want to have a feeling that tunakusoka kwetegereza who needs who DJ leka nsabe ba abazini toning it down. Just look for the DJs. Because
namuno bokobotaka kiteire.
Bokobotaka kiteire sera DJ. DJ musere and create rapport. You are so many DJs. To some point even you are nabana bakutera abasara music. Banywane.
Abazini baina na kutunga abantu bebakora nabo. Because me I will give you an example. Emyaka yemazire ni nkora na Figo. Timanyire namba zaba DJs zenyina musimu yange. Every district in Kahanu region, even outside this region, you understand? Nti ati me what I do but tukekizina Figo tugeze twinekizina kiturukize. You get into the phone no take am DJ. No tandika kuterera no tandika no banza no kibasindikira. Then no baterera. Bo no baba inga no barabya amakasimu no barabya amakasimu. You understand? Ntekizina ekyo tukiribase kizina kikibe kiti nofuna akaire obwo musindikira akasodo bakiki nofuna akaire no muramuki ya I think enkoragana nayo nkuru kandi hati nanka omuzini osakwerero oli wa mani when you big then get someone who will coordinate you na ba DJ banu ba MC banu you understand
funa maybe a manager oba create a team uno muntu akupushinga music yawe okuba you as an artist lowering yourself to some point of to get branding. I know sometimes na make Talibanism. Okura sometimes ogena no kora in a place ati wondo ina kasente ko kunihira no tekagenda no banja you omuntu wenyine there is a kinamwe kikora kikudegrading no isano omuntu aliki desperate. So I have a feeling when we create these teams there is a big role as Koraki as you playing nawe is maintaining a brand yawe riki I think ekina Koraki okwa tusakora buli kimu kiona oli wenka. That's why abazina abanguhire kututumuka they have these teams they have
hati iwo olesere nsonga nkuru baitu mero banzo lya kitinge hao
hati teira ina kantu ka hintingire hao yagamba nti katukozese artist hati artist oina brand baito boina brandi okale okyaye to earn a living Habokuba, you can't rely on music when the music is asking you to keep pushing in, inputting, and you don't have what to inject. You get it? So inakanta kahitingira hakugamba nti oina halo kora akasende tikayizire, you end up ojoire nkaito gendo banja kasende hati nkwenda akantu wako tukarelatinge na artist
to the DJ
na artist to the DJ kuba oina kusera DJ ole mubare no hano noruga hono genda no mubare you know so nogenda kwesanga nti buli hamoliyo and the people no longer have the urge to you know ntibora kora nka event kawo how go twikara nawe manda musasuliro mutwaro gwange ngende murura njya kunyole kyaki hanyikara na brand kozereki esisikaire
so Tairo otaka nankire olesire obayinda kubazira kya team.
Yes,
ama team by the way kikuru muno and I think okukamparo hura Spice Gadesi Fangon Soldiers manyaba team by the way because actually ishibahorix actually ato muzini wowe nyina sana butasabiki bano ba team ni bateka pressure ya DJ
very good ati nyona nyumba ni nyenda kugamba buto abaine in that place kama ni wakasigara kunu aikalire mu ntebeye team ne koromuli na yenywera team irika koromuli mugwayi bujo bande abagenda mu DJ batoireyo music manya abantu bapala so bakora ki you get waikalire so brand
ati hanu bokubotaka kiteire you may not omuzina kuturora okotaka kitere you may not get a team unti kusagika kirao but get at least a group of people bachali abakwikirizamu abakwikirizamu me remember kuli Kampala abasajja basasuraga na teams bano kutera amasimu ha radio kusaba ebizina bine bateka competition nanko hakusinga nibasabura amasimu biki ati for you thinking nti muzini wa amana indekizina kya amana and yet is investing mu team zinu boko warakitaire tunga bakubelivingiramu tunga bachali bawo ubateka kidoba batanu mukaga biki nibo bayikaze ba DJ bano pressure biki
bagati sense omubire kindo bukiraturuka turayikara meza
ainayo muntu akusa kubereraho mu mbera yona try to be friend obeyo nabanywani babakusa kukolera some of the things obukuba to some point naye bokutere kizina kyao kikanyuma kana okafoka ka day you will not gain from your music you get so for that case therefore nyonkorora nti na DJ nabo akora omuzini bwire bono kwikara ndesa ka flash kange
akumoleka ali desperate tajja kwa respect buliro yoreke omuntu oli desperate bali kwatinisa
ali RJJ ata he didn't even come to me bwira kabaina abantu abakoraki abamubaliza tukuna music ya RJ nyeki mayasa kwa ya pikire mna hanso kwe gamba uyu ati bayijaga MC gamba DJ atere music yaitu atere music tunebitera betu antukwa mufu waki so create something like that mu bantu abantu bawo abakuikirizamu so that they fight your battle you get so at the end of the day you osigale kuli nti even when they make a mistake for example sindikiro muntu genda kubanjira akasente borata atabukire na no muntu akusasura oba berabizanga ine mwe gali at the end of the day no bara akuterera there is a way you'll try to cover up but atalini wenyini wakuba ni wenyini I'm telling you you might even lose it out you get so to a certain point I think we can try to get some team
ohiroho tugaruka ihali ba DJ aba DJ final muzini asa kubatayiziro muwawe nyokira kugamba buli region yona abahaba zino reda bakiteira habaroho abo tumanyire
abala internet
give them their flowers bahereze owe kizina kikulete iro batakikuwaire
bala TikTok
yes
bala YouTube kandi buli kizina kyayo kirora
no kora kirora umufollowinga kugamba nti ndezizingire kihiya kababiki support kikuyawo you understand abo kubo umuntu at the end of the day umuntu ali understand yaga brand hano Tairo nandabiyamwe bure kwitira na kasoda bure kwitira nero nandabye akasoda you understand you need to appreciate mu buli mulingo gona nti already abantu
ekyawe ni kyekiyawe ekitali kyawe tikiri bakyawe
hati mero tukirizanga hano bunyoro okwendo ngambe aro DJ atamanyire Figo West aro DJ atamanyire Crusher aro DJ atamanyire ba Serenity aro DJ atamanyire ba Jovi araba
Bakahora Boys.
Why can't you play their songs?
Ekimanyire na yakafune kitekerezo kyogamba ati nyoka ntandiko bwa DJ kasekendi kana katuko baliza na manyire Figo West.
Hati why not play his song kando mumanyire abwakino olidanti na wakuletere music ya
kano kimanyango ekizina kyayo nambe omaya BPM nambe okusa oina nambe okusa fixing at least okakora
ki BPM zonas
ezen song
even to some other point okusanga sometimes these guys are with us but is robundi to kusemerera naitwe in some of these happening places by zile babao naitwe kala kiriswara ho buromu boine kisere wangu koleki okitere you get omuri recognizing ngukozeki ngubena wajja kusemererwa you get much as okitera taro but try to play it buromu boino
well timanyire ekitugya kora but I have a feeling nti aba DJ kira muno hano Bunyoro tuina bias ha music yomuka I don't know what exactly causes that but I will try to
bias
to do my research.
Bias
yeah, we have bias, trust me, we have bias ha music yana okuba aba DJ bakusinga bo muhikawo ajja kugamba ekizina kyawo nja kubanza nkiwulirize na nyenkya no mu approachinga nagamba ekizina kino
let me give some analysis on that. To some point to get a bias or not bias but bekwa ni manyango sometimes abantu banu bwabana wa stage you are all in maisoga abantu buying you don't want to create a mess vibe etandikire ekwasire ekizina toka kihuliriza gato kimanyire you don't want to risk
that is okay.
Yes.
Ekizina tasakubira kwa plenge ekizina taka kiuraoga.
I'm talk about his point. Wagamengo aina kubanza koleka kihulirize. But this is a win-win situation. Bekwa ni nyenda ekizina kyangi playing. You also lower yourself down.
Then you come back tomorrow to the same person, You come back to the same person. Now numuga ekizina kyangu kiwulirize ke baitu
okakimuhaira arabire biro
baitu ekizina kino haro kikuburamu kikuburamu tutereze
kina vibe kurungi
nalema ku honest opinion nata kugambire kyakwenda nata
but let me tell you nyowari hebizina nke bimpuliriza first time nibeka byabaherwo ko baganda nka no kura first time notakienda bubo takiendeze hati ogenda kuura nibakipikani bakiterani at the end of the day tandika kora let me tell you people love things they always listen to ebinte baikale nibahuliriza that is niyo tactic yokora hiso
baitu hati baraikara batani bakihuliriza iwe nyonyi kinzire nkakikuletera wayanga kizana ati ya kule kijagi yanka
I don't think ngo buli DJ orakitwalira ajja kwanga koraki playing oli bora yangire kiplaying amweze mwakaire you know nti sometimes abantu baba with their personal issues
yes
and personal interests and personal tastes and differences nti oli okimutwaliye bundi tastes yaye we aina waragenza set hali
aenda rata wa R&B
awena tera abantu R&B oba batere afrobeat abatere
even no
piano
even no generaga yao
okuleta lunyo flow you get so to some point omuntu onu isana kumukwana you get it is upon you iwe kikiki okwenda okroba bagamba kasera kalonge okoraki goyera bokwa no enda pika mulemero some point kwata no munsawo boy bokwa ine kintu kyokwenda I want to tell you if you really feel good again your shortcut take out omubiri you see nti oikira kyokoraki ekyokwenda okuba but they have their personal traits. Fine, they follow bandwagon effect. For example, there's a DJ yange kutera music ya artist najja performing. I think you heard of that saga. But you are going nengo public reacting it. The next time he did, even had to buy the ticket. He has a posting. Yamara even played the music. You get. So harakindu kimu nti it may happen. Tikikumaisa that you give up. Keep the motivation. You cannot know sindika. You get that one day that person will gain the interest and play your music.
But do you okimanyire buli DJ wena kuba DJ oli valid oli wa mani bakuvaluinga in most cases talent zoimukisa nokuba oli wa mani bavaluinga how your performing industry mu region yo olimu mulingeri.
I think that cuts across all avenues of life. Muntu kuba successful oyimukire wenkoto toina we.
No, actually bokubo oli muzini tugeza hati region nene karuga mugo muzini wa mana kakitera nanka aleveza haiguru kule. Do you know even ba MCs kunu hansi ba DJs nabako bayimukire?
Yeah, of course.
Vali yabwe kwa naye yonga bazo lembarara banu bananka ba MC bo habo na bayiziri bwana reji. You understand? Yes. And why ataba DJ bandi kikiri bakimanyire?
So I think maybe okura akiri kuba no cyumba orukurumu kuruteka mu mahiga terusa kucyumba mbere ukakora ki
ekahiya
zinakuba nku nyingi. So ekintu kinu kiona if we need to reach somewhere where we want, for example to DJs and MCs obaina engombe yogamba nti tukozere tutakora nti ebara setting de tuta bumuki butwina. You get bukwa tukwatagana at the end of the day numfunaga time to discuss some of these issues, resolve some of these issues. You listen to each other okwesanga muri kintu kimu ni musakurwana a battle mukagisingura. But if you're divided, for example you are a class apart, you togambo aho, you cannot give in, something like that. Okwesanga nti orutaro, you can't fight it alone. You need to work together as a team and make sure that you push everything, both music. Okwa you need these musicians, the local musicians, they need to be part of you. If it is something to do with the kintu kiamani, something ekiri kiamani, you're going to create an influence. The influence has to be created by numbers. You get numbers have the DJs. But DJ bali buying mnohan. The other time I came with a list of DJs, though some people were nyoto mbalizo.
Nkara abantu ni bari react.
Hey, they reacted, but
mbuliste fuire toteiro nanka. Liste to mutaro nanka.
By the big up to my DJ when kira kora nawe Kefa Rhymes, DJ Shouts Killer, wana wa mani muno. Together with the Sadikens, not only DJ but also sound engineer mwana wa HB, kora nawa Unplugged. Those are also good DJs. Bullying kebwa kubateka list. But there are DJs I work with. I was shocked kururangu nyebiro abantu be. Abekora naho bikiro. Yeah, so we need to work together as a team. Kana tamaye bikono because there is one guy obangamba gango tinja kubaze baro kwamba jamwetegeza, but mnyaikaga buyabaga amanyire ngu Taylor is coming to work with me on the microphone. Wiki yakoraga yahamugo bukaro buyara ndeka mu bukaro
bukutali banise
ari wagaga kubaza kimbibiri
ebikono bitao
biba mwendo. Assuming you are like 20 people, you have representatives. Abaina mu team ezirimu like 100 people muku meeting like mukamwekichweka mugama wewe
mukuwa mwine musaku influence
you influence
and let me tell you by the way industry itene kyali into abukuba nebikono nobora binanka tibikuyamba industry kyali hansi teka funite teka tungire mu sente nyingi zira hawo. You understand
ekyaetaga kuteraniza mikono kwengi muno.
So ati enkoragana niyo tukwetaga because nyobusaho ekinte ekindwanaho nkokurura nti industry yetu ya Bunyoro hano ya performing ya kura. I want to see you Taylor nti uli hananka shows zamani zira national level tukaya mwana waitu ngogwaru is from here you understand abasinze baitu ndi representing on the national level tabana baitu barugira hano yes
Figo West akaba show ya nanka
yeah but Diamond Platinum that is it's very kintu kirungi habo kuba hato kurora nyo benkusanga show tugezende siro muzini hata iro nuwaro kikunyangu hii rather than kusanga utamanyiro niko kuranti when we push ourselves kikutuyamba ho naitwe to have bargaining powers abintu ebikoto ate abantu they don't know how work industry ya music tugeze ya nkole thriving. I'll give you an example. Do you know inti oja kusanga let me give you an example of Next Media. Oja kusanga owananka producer wa TV station zikusinga munyankole. Oja kusanga from the top banyankole bakurabye ebintu byabo. You understand? Yes. So itu kunu kandi tuli hano ntabokwa tuli hakabara kamu ndari tukwesindika
nanka na tandaba heno nayo ngira nayo kuturabya kobe muno
tandaba ho
atandaba ho atandikira ijyo nyunka mubanza kutandika aizira ata kuija kuika hano kandi ensonge ege nayo kutalibaniza bojjo bayinge muno atawune hano genda gira otemojo naga okagamba bugamba no taina kundabo
abwaki watali nyowe
oba nyowe mba wa hano nyo mukoto wa hano
abakyo kwa kwasiro muzindara abantu bateire nduru Amkiga rukiyokemuka kuzokaga
okikorota kutereza
ikimanyira wizire gihana kasi stage wakwato muzindara abantu bacha mukirege okikorota nanyonye biraho nanyonye nkyankwenda nanyonkwenda banterere nduru nkayi no mukopesa you know nyenke ogenda kwesanga nti naiwe obunda inekia ekiyakora nayo kiyotakora kandi nayo nokiyetaga kandi nikijja kutembea ya madara abiri kora kusingaho hali yoro so enkuragana kikuburamu timanyiro baba abajjo baraki embracing but the bottom line of this discussion teiran abalize hankuragano balize hankuragana tuizirege tuteseze kuba hankuragana namba so ensonga yankuragana tuinagitera metochi muno nsonga nkuru
mwebale munaba kyatuhondera tukyali baite nteka nze tugihe ibara tutoze ibara tayiro short asian tugihe ibara tugihe ibara tugihe ibara perhaps next week tujja kuja tutungire ibara so tukiye gaya basically bya entertainment ya bunyoro now we all have to believe bully badije ba complaining aga muno mu sound infu y'abantu but Melo you believe that says in music ya bunyoro nanka sound ekahinduka gali mazime ekahinduka baitu aro ebikiyaburamu I have a feeling nti production yaitu hano bunyoro obo nkumanyisa music yakoleirwa hano bunyoro nti muzini wa bunyoro producer wa bunyoro bwarabe ali nanka bamweta nanka engineer sound engineer bana ba mixing and mastering nti nawe wa bunyoro tukiyaburamu tukiyaburamu bike bikutuburamu ekikuburamu I think it is all about the craftsmanship, creativity yes creativity
abokuba haro music yogenda no huliriza no yesanga nti tachi niyem the creativity is lacking nti ekizina kirungi but the producer didn't didn't play around with the instruments as
should we blame creativity halo muzini producer oba bona
producer kusinga muno when it comes to music
but this view is a good view by true naba producer bongeiremu kuyaho it depends ogenza ma producer
bongeiremu hati kimu kwebwa nti obutuku bantu hindura hano na haiguru hari tukurolera naho bikuba bihindukire so omutindo tigukozereke
but arek tukweta benchmarking teneko haroho I think it's about omuntu kutaba comfortable na mbera ali for example you can say MC Taylor I'm here nimba comfortable with the Hoyman ngamba I'm trying my best get time ugende Kampala orole Kampala bakikora bata ulizo aba MC bande bakora ki bakikora mata times nabeba kuba balesere ba MCs kuruga Kampala by the way nyowe to some point I don't see that as something negative oiro bukiba kingura ine you get oba boyesanga ngo maybe abana bahano babavuruga that's when it becomes bad but bokwana abahano baeza respect then abakampala no baleta or just kuhindura okataito it's good for your team to also learn from them okuba it helps them kuetegereza nti chikumanyisa on crowd ya Kampala abana nagibaliriza abana agiterera agihandolinga ati you get so benchmarking is very important arabo jaba abakoze benchmarking bembo ndora I've seen Davo Beats abaide for so long actually is like almost a brother to Daddy Andre. Guys are really putting in a lot of research so I want to have a feeling into when call a benchmarking with the top guy. For example, if I live here and I benchmark with the top MC, that time in Kyali Kampala, you'd find me with those of Crystal Panda, Esco, Isaac, Bohabo. Ninyategeza book into Bakoraki, Bakorabata. It's just that time hika and you become comfortable. But if we can go out of our comfortable zones to kongera ho, you make more research and do benchmarking. Kikuyamba, you may not okusanga omuntu ngutali easy to you kuhereza obukodyo bwaye kino hulirize ha omulinga kikoramu you can as well learn from that you get so
I think over is a point enkuru mbo muntu ara muntu you know there's obuzibu bwe tugira buchakuba butali naito itwenka hano most of the people bwarura aina halahikiro baina wakiteireho arurantu ba akimazirati nabo naba comfortable and actually it has always been a problem tuli hano by Uganda baitu hano
comfort zone
abazini baitu hano Uganda ubwarura kiteire muno ahikire halati uginda kururati wena namanya nalira kisingira kimwe amanyirete kikoze and yet there is a bigger platform after that
na ego ne nyetera kimwe hatakiafugi
nyonka ba ningamba I was telling to nimbaza naba abojo bahana bandi batikitoka ba DJ biki omujo tikitoka ntabo kuba tungiro ba followers bayingaha hakurubata na hudu yeswekereire now we think so bakiteirali wa mani you understand why do we abantu benda kumatira n'obutito you understand abukwa mi now at my level halindi nkurwa kimwa tinyina kinyaka kozeri
nikyo beta settling for less
he settling for less why I have a guy on manyire DJ muzini was a good person as no buzina burungi woko magwa mandero I think okumukenga bikatandike kutera obuzina zina na urani babutera library nibo butera library hari yamanya anti bakanyumiza kagenda hashemu yajura no kutera abantu ba audience abakimuta kutera mu ngaro so why do people want to settle for people
some of those things actually it is upbringing hello kuruga background
no akurora
background and what you
maybe to arokweteka mwe kintu then even the surrounding yokwikaramu how do they create your PR ngokuba mu public okwera byota how do you react how do you behave na nebikibyo kozesa you get me abojo bayingi kale some boys are really going astray but geza kosa drugs and drugs in they have some influence it puts on you no sanga bondi some point zikusisire you get but I want to have a feeling into buli kyokora kyona always aim higher Uchikenga and never compete with anyone. Me, I don't compete with anyone.
Yes
because when I compete
no osakuba ono omuntu wokuroleraho na kuinspiringa
I can be inspired
but it is
but
better to do your thing.
I want to tell you nyowe when I get omuntu akora something that is far much better than me ngaruka nyetera mutochi ningamba ono kiki kyakore kintakora tisagamba hati leka nkolerero omuntu ono ubwo wekwika level yayi ali abakora
ali abakumusinga
egyo nkango but nyonyi nakutunulya kiki kintaka kozere to reach here hati ninduga halogo ningenda hagarukawo ninge always aim at being the best okuba every time okwatwa twaga mu class no rangu oina muntu abantu bo competing nabo obaro omuntu aro top student o competing nawe top student afunye like 80% hati wo kozere buchweka ihembe kurura okozereki hadi na ino jana ofuna maybe 81% no gamu
norate muhiro and yet aruho nezinde
zikusa there is 100 you forget there is 100
I think yabagarura henyuma hananka hansonga ya quality imbairege mbalizeho haruha akasinariyo kambairege ninyenda abahereza baitu njageza okirelating ne kyomsaijo na baina gambe ekyo kurora hamuntu akakuinspiring akufuna inspiration haro muzini oba I think mu Nigeria ono ayateira kazina kana baketa my darling bamwita chela atuntururu hati haroho omuzini wa hano haro muzini wa hano hagarukire mwe kizine eki hagarukire mwe kizine eki kyongobo kihuliriza mane wayi
teka murunyoro
kiro murunyoro habo kuliriza kizina kiri no ikaguza nawo why are we going sincerely why would someone choose to spoil instead what is already good why don't you just leave it okagamba okay let me not do it at all
lakini kibagarukire mwa kikaba ni trending
arone kiyananka kinawolovu arona nyauri ate agarukire
all akozere kintu ke you can't even compete now you choose to
dilute actually that is diluting
and more so ebizine bitunzire munne ukebi
hati nayo kwenda rugeyo gamba DJ na nyonterere kizine
you want to attach yourself to success
ngakyo kolera ya kitera
mtegeza ajja kulema kutera kiro original ngo atere yawo
rundi kyabitere bihondera ine mari what impression will you be creating both as an artist
so tugaruka creativity eri both utagibule mingira producer nkawe n'abazini habo iwa aro muzina jana ganyo kwendo tereki zinanka kiyananka
but it's manyire hati na nsonga ya kasente eno ya ndali yakina yo nsonga nkuru of course tuina kusurviving so ati producer nabo akuroro izire no matara munganye bigambo byange mwijya munganyira mukatito abakuroro izire ngo nyowe kwenda manyira kazi na karingwe kazi na kinwe notariga nkwenda nkako hati kandi producer hakimanyire tagenda kuhekyo kwenda kiyenye tasakora
kutera nkakiri kiyenye
tasakumachinga quality kyonkana gamba akasende kanu nyina kore nyina kasika na kuhekya akakohaire nayo settling for less no gamba kin katugende na kin nayo no gikara mu ngoma bwe papa
so creativity kikuru muno
but why as a producer it is the producer's role kugaidinga artist bwaraizire nekizina akihandikire
arabajana nempaka
baito bwarabazinire not egyo keri iguru muno hawakyota gisara why can't you maneuver you find something that fits with your voice nikyo tukagenda nakyo kukira kakuleko kasiza katandika kuflatingiro mukizina kandi nyekya kikuleme no performing a stage mara kanige kwata so producer ni wali supposed correct kuga muzimi no ya kyokozera obya kunyamba gezaho okoleme kikwa ukanaho you know no creativity you try to create with the artist
creativity I want to say creativity comes with the finance my brother Taina Kasente you're going to have a lot of limitations. Oja kuwina enkango. So I want to have a feeling into maybe this would be an advice for the stakeholders, by DJs, by MCs, abazini, by producers, by what. Let's not get stuck to one thing. Nti wokwa kitu kyokora tikikufunira kurungi. Gezaho kwabulira obwongo. Think
out of the box.
Out of the box. Tekeza kintu kindi. I've seen some musicians start up businesses. Arabo joba ina mambotiki ataunaho.
Okuyindika kubahabura babirukeho. Bagende mbindi.
This one that
music is an investment. Tugenda kuteka mu
atunge ka side hustle akakumute yake kuteka kuno.
Nti you need to produce a video okwenda kora ekizina kiri quality. Akasente. Uko linawo kuikara akatekamu all his energy kuranga kuturukize ko ekizina malidadi sana.
Abokwana akasente obukakuba karoho osa trying out bana ba producer ba hando kuba Kampala banesimu boa okatunga something different.
But now it comes with money. So
akasente
korao bwako utaina gig nyingi ya town or somewhere around Geza uko ibintu bindi nibiletaga akasente, and as you keep pushing your brand nolindaga abagigs to come.
Omusheri nkakugambira aroha aba DJ abatata creative kurungi natandika kuplayinga bizino no sa ku determininga like no nanka
kigaruka
playlist yayi nuga ubwo bakatatera kina creativity kikuru hari bona on both sides
ati
with the new ati aro MC muranganyira ba MC aro MC ubumanyire kamu kabiri agire bigambo nkeri bigambo oba nibyo amanyiri niwe bastarengire so creativity you understand bigambo kiye biro very good ya ba MC baba ugamba nibyo byonka bamanyire nibyo byonka bakwasire so it is either way ba MC na ba DJ creativity kwetagisa muno ba musicians creativity kikuru you understand hati nyokurura even me shows nizenkora nyihara muno ibigambo byembalize kwikara nimbigaruka kanganiza urajya gamba baitu nibyo bikara no bazaho
topic ya lero ni ya nyenkia
baitu togira bindi byo kubazaho you understand hati lero nkaba MC naba nanka.
By the way, MCing is a very tricky job.
Very oina kuba ku very creative, you know, oina kuija set oina yaka
hati abantu okorole emirimo eno ya creation abantu ababa heroko obwaba narora ali ha TV akurora video to them it is very easy to do what Taylor does on the stage. It is very easy by to mukwatu
genda
ni wujja kiyetegereza and nyona tekereza gangu kusobora kuba MC.
In fact akabugeza
my brother knows, but man I reached a point and I realized I said
I think
this is not my
calling. The MCs you see, we should give them shout outs.
You man,
they are doing a lot of work.
Shout outs is an understatement.
No, it is buli muntu wena kintu kyakora. It is not easy.
Akikiromya akazina yagamba tosobora kwehambiriza kukora
ekiyotahangirwe
kandi no kikora tolinga noli aina okugonza
kyakyo hati buli muntu wena omulimo gwe guli challenging. Me I'll give an example. Titera Makasani DJ agenda kora night mukazi wa mubihize baruwaini aina kwijja mubara koleki and that hati no hemiri getting very hard.
Ekyogeza ogamba nikyo ba creatives batendera kuswera ni
MC the same thing aina kora night arugire mukazi we babihire to an extent batokere nokutoka ali stress aija kujja kwa microphone asemeza abantu
atandike gamba bugamba kubi
so buli muntu weno buli muntu wende gutitiguba mwangu you understand
of course abamu those loopholes those ups and downs challenges but when you are born to do something you still do it and you still come out despite of those ups and downs but it's all about creativity your passion then ni kitu kyokuba nokora okuba nokienda kurungi some point yare bintu bo decide nga kora ki kubiteeka haruba juwe nogamba ati now that has been that let me focus on this
and actually kugarura yenyuma kuli that is why these performers most of them obasanga balina kukozesa drugs nagamba ati stress yenyiro omuka kuli kujja microphone yani kamba nzengo you understand nabanyarugaho nubona so it is not very hard it is not very easy
it's very challenging my friend
nagahati kamba nzente mbe okyenkutekaho nakakubisize nya abazine benyaraga Kampala abazine bamana abakoto no murura nimujja motoka dali stress biki nagata kaire kujja performing I have like 30 minutes mpaka nakakubisa
ngabusatu
in the next minutes we in a different person munyowe I'm a film director akitom training na saku switching emotions nti in the mudakika ntito muno abaire naseka indure face something like that ndatorugire omuka una stress zao mukazi mukunga ino babana bakozereki ati change the mood tugira bikisani put in another tail kwate microphone it is not all about into to consider drugs na bikitukuzijumira kwa sisira abana I have many talented artists abali ba man hano bunyoro drugs zakora zabatwa zabasisa sazini tubari rehabilitating biki talents zabo zafwa because of drugs so tukuzijumira
look at the talented Jackie Chan
but Jackie Chan
ali on top of the game
tukigirizibwa kubaza mabali
it is okay but drugs zero over ingino bakuba fire mutoni
hati nanka sabasaba mumanyire
sabasaba nazo zika drugs
umanyire sabasaba nga kuisana mwene
sabasaba aro yanga akamsanga na alima itabo ku kakindo
sabasaba ali kakinda unanyonka muroraho
drugs zikusi
kamuroraho mwaka guhoire but
zikusisa obwongo
yumani
nizikuiha
oboku
maybe by the way araba kosa drugs nibazikozesa responsibly bite araba zikozesa excessive fuzaba abantu abakozesa those things nibatarugaho but all in all it's not good to use them
bite ati drugs bokuba nokozesa drugs no kyali no mumbere mbito kuzisobora ni gamazima yandasana ati ankabasajja ba oteka kuba oli mumbera nungi
inako
kandi muso drug nungi zo nambi
okozesa drugs tokunaba tokulya tokogya
so you understand oteka kuba oli mumbera nungi abasajja abantu raba bamana bakoza drugs bohaba actually kumanya drugs zirimbi I'll give you an example iyo sakukiro anti kiri hano mu Uganda honka but look at the people of Balili Wine ba Justin Bieber do you remember akasimika Justin Bieber ko hali twale intukulira mu high school ba joinye buli musiko na igomba Justin Bieber but when you look at Justin Bieber now it is drugs actually
the drugs it is all around it is
nungi
hati nanka Jackie akabali kubi Jackie
Jackie Chan
aleka gende kuruga
healthwise
why she doing no general
mukasente bikembera yayi she was good
ogumwana niwe
cute kaye
basindi they would just
yes very talented
cute kaye
na me take like a gold digger banai
so abantu baitu hano bali performing kandi mba DJ mbahulire ma DJ bahano mukosa muno drugs arobe manyire bentasa genda kubaza bari drugs hano mba DJ bahano bunyoro zihingura ine muzikendeze drugs tizikaba nungi.
Yeah, they're not good.
Yes.
Gambira banse baiguru katumire bakubura.
And believe in yourself. It all comes with the bageta self-esteem. Muntu kubata atakwikiza I can do this.
Yes.
I can do this. Let's have that faith in ourselves. That passion. I'll play music. Play that music
passionately.
Actually, passion ni inakubanza.
Yeah, it is passion.
Passion ni inakubanza. Let me give you an example. Nyondora DJ Ndora Musigazono is DJ Moshi. Do you know Moshi? Taine kikutamize kiakozesa. But that guy can play music no gambo baine atamiro baine, you know him. Obaine kiateiro naba DJ na katsi anywa ka ona ka
for Moshi I think it's experience.
You understand? So passion ni Moshi and music.
But ati nyakweni mbaza omu aba DJs ababanze na ba Moshi kutera music. But because of
kandi hati nkainywe you always have opportunity nti abantu bakugulira.
Oh gosh.
Biki
I want to tell you Kampala nyagendaga in some of those places obusiki bwa abantu uli na kuhalinga kumukolera akasiki na kwa open bill. You can take as much as you want. There's a person we yampezaga buli yakaraga teiraizire nangamba you have an open bill, but I want to assure you I will take only 3 and I will be done. Then akubuza man you're not taking no matter you ogarukira mai you're not taking. So how do you get crazy to hold the mic? Me, even if I've not taken anything, I can just hold that mic. Even if you wake me from the bed, I can start from there. And you get excited, you get. But bokusanga bakwa like an open bill leka kunywa ngazivu okusagumara yo oba you get.
Nicho kiro
but limitation yao no manyo when pingura hano mbange ngezere
mbangire
kandi hati no na challenge ndi ngino yokamba gambire kino no botamira obotaina control over yourself. Hata unotandika kweswaza mtu no boboy baire ne brand ya this guy.
This the guy I know.
Mtu mbaye ni expecting adora. Andi regard Tamir.
Kama sana kudozingira stage, for example you're performing as an MC or an artist. You can doze from the stage no kumaraka kuba hands. Get.
Aromuzini omu. Aromuzini omu wa man hano binyoro. Baitu biro bino mwenga akagukendeza. And there's a time yagunywaga muno. Ati kiro kimaka genda yagunywa yatamira mutulaso. Atobi yatamire aroga yabaira tupangize musirikale. Yagamba na baratamire mu muhimbe mutwara stage. Ba muhimba kumutwara stage atakusana kuperforminga na tantaruka butantaruka. You understand? Now when getting to that level, you cannot even control yourself ogenzira stage ati ba inakukwatirira you cannot even perform. Chonko muntu akusasira kwa ile sene. Actually tell you omu arona bandi nando nyarozere akaba hasho yaye yenyini ategekere show hano mtown couldn't even perform. Nagenda natandika kutantaruka biki. Me I believe anything ekyo ina
very sober. Danjo in fanfare Man United kwa kitandika nyowe Anita na Kanso Gonjo. But I gave the other speech. I could not even believe that I gave that speech. So when bokunywaho just and get just tipsy for those abanywaho, but you don't get drunk. Ebintu ebimu you oja kwesanga nti you are able to do them no yetegereza. You can even easily know where the crowd is with me or it's not with me. Going astray over I'm online. I don't know akuba rugiro we
you not even realize.
Akutera kizina kiasulo baita akuzina mwama piano, you get. Ukuba we ali wengo webuli something different, you get. So all in all, whatever we are using, that's what they said, too much of anything is always bad. Tukikozese with limitation, you get? Yeah.
Mwebale muno kutuhondera tukumalize enteekaniza abayikaireho tukwenda kubasiima enteekaniza ntugikoleera Arrows niba tuhostingire Arrows baina kino kya every Saturday baba na live band jo relaxingeho yefe band
hosted by Omugaiga himself Ronnie Baongole
Ronnie wenyine
yeah
oba mwete muleta kamera Ronnie
Director Ronnie.
So tukoleera Arrows buli kya mukaga baba na live band
yefe band kutaika saa zinga
this is
okwanyonkira nkakolgamo unplugged ya HB abayo live acoustic it's not a big band but it's live acoustic band kabandi kabagaiga sanga yabe abenda abe abakozeremu
so you can come oiro kendo zina mabara gaho imamukopangana aro muntu akarura live band kwasire Yohana Arrows nanga gakura gitandikire bagikozere mbabo kuba Arrows ekwata yuga
saketa kopa bataroho
but the truth is are kintu kyokora kiri too much hatule example ebare me kukingura hato yindeze to out compete waleto mzini wa amani nto you understand ara bintu ebimu na ebyo nanka Uganda let me leave it
ngo murolime rolite kiniko bakieta flowing with the trend
business there's also remaining in business as well sakira in the positive and the negative way by to nyowe nyikirizaho ndamukyaba kamubange Kefa Rhymes Omugaiga Milton my friend Akiki Agre manager Chris Hacks baramukize buli kyakatano tubahamu Kefa Rhymes band tubana Sweet Jam band kandi band ya mani muno nayo bana bakujwara bakutera music bakunyumisa ikikarukiwa kijulire kimu buli kyakatano kandi tutandikiroho we are starting comedy night for the first time in Hoima
ndozire gefly I think mukwenda hostingaga bananka ba comedians
kuruga Kampala one to identifying talent
kikabairo
but with talent with agenanzi tugaye tujaga batekaho buli kyakasatu tujja kuba na comedy Kefa Rhymes
jakura nonda kitandikire
buli kyamukaga mba HB nyikiza ntumiroho bakamubanga ba HB John Magara and the team the Magara family together manager Clara manager Paul Keith Sadikens those are my people
bagambe ba hosting egesheno I think
actually tujabahereza we are going to give you a chance or an offer to hosting some of these Saturdays tusakubaga HB to give hosting live niko abantu nibasoba kuba ni bakoraki nibagifollowinga then nabanywani bange most of these abagaiga bamuno they are most of them are my friends and by the way abakira bakampagira birthday party yange kugambira that I'm going to make a party in form of a show I want to tell you I got an overwhelming number of people tingena balisting hano but most of these bars sent in their representatives nkaraho team Arrows Bar manager Byron nakajana timu ye team Cats Lounge bakaija bansagika Danjo nkarona na banywande bange ba Eri Kuruga Milano Cleoti team big boys dormitory they came and supported kubasima muno it's tinsa kumara list ya abantu abayizire hali na teams ezayizire hali by two it was really overwhelming bule yakaizire wena buli yampaire kise bakamfuwa sente zike stage tikwazibaza tijina security
kubanja
by two I want to appreciate you so much mwebale muno thank you for loving MC Tairo Tairo is a cool guy mutate panka who still wants to learn nyo muntu mwanyitaka ngamba hano yo terekerezamu I humbly adjust think about it and find a way of adjusting
ateke kitalibaniza abantu bayingi agamba gwa bakunanda bya
mama tinkaikire na mberi nkwenda era you get surprised once in a while kugenda gankafuna benchmarks Kampala where Mbarara because I always want to be better every day. Bunamwino parties, birthday parties, big weddings, corporate parties, get-togethers, hosts, shows. I can do all that.
Sibula abantu.
Well, ntakaba sibwire ngira kamba heyo conclusive remark. Obuturani tuenda kutwara music ya Bunyoro omaiso kandi harulenguru orwa haiguru. Ebintu bibiri DJ omuzini MC naba stakeholders abandi itwena tuina kukuwatira hamu nka team nti Bundaro John Teiro MC murole mwe kirungie kyaina nkikozese kwe kurakuraniza na nyo kirungie kinyina nkimuhereze
kandi naona afunamu
nikyo ngambe kirungie kinyina nkikuhe turubatire hamu itwena but most importantly MC korekyo inakora nka MC DJ na wakoro mulimo gwe nka DJ no muzini na wakoro mulimo gwe everyone has a distinctive role to play as an individual but as you do what you're supposed to do work with the colleague deka kuondora nyizire na speed nyingi ukagamba nti kunundabo. No, we are not competing.
Kankutere ngwara.
I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. If you think you're interested in what I'm doing, please come and pick a leaf. If I think I'm interested in what you do, let me approach you and I pick a leaf. That way we will thrive smoothly and all will be well. Yes, ni Marira ankwe kusema muno Kitara TV abokumpa kagisakano ku composting na nyiwe nkabaho kinga mbira abantu MC Teiro brother I love you so much yukusemba yo Melo and Jonah is a sprouting
project
a sprouting project tukyali bato muno tuizire kuzina but kuzina tuizire twetekanize kuwega no kuataniza hamu na ba stakeholders abanda bali mu industry tuizire competing na muntu wena Ombunyoro nyowe sazi numanyire na akajiwe muyonka eina man
Kahora Boys
so abo jabo tuizire kubeyungaho tituizire
kubarwanisa but health competition ebaho esa kulema
it is there
bakwa balesere hit kizina nanyi ni mwendaki hao
it is there by tukande aro competition yabo jeni bakozesa
teranga nengwa
abo manuka ndi bayiruka muno bagwire style ki so tuizire koraki we have come to collaborate. Let's work collaboratively and bukirani kimaisa kukora hamwe kizina let's sit and talk hatali gamanga inywe hawakimwaro zetu tuli babiri nanyi babiri you know so abakorora Kitara TV nywe nambara mukize kwenda kuramukia hoba aba DJ tinja kubaza mabara but every DJ kasaboka kuba no manya oli mu game and you're actively doing what you're supposed to do. Shout out to you MCs abazini nyakia itunywena tubagonza muno.
Just the last quotation to all the DJs the MCs producers abagaiga musicians and all the stakeholders, I want to give you this quotation. United we shall stand. Undivided we fall. Nkabanyono nkabagamba agetera ine nigo gata egufa. Nikiriza ntumire mukyala wange Jolly Brushes webali kunyiriza abantu kandi webali kubateeka mutindo hamuna Glory Boutique and Glory Bridals n'abanywani bange nywena. Thank you so much.
Kale leka tutetene sabite garukaho Akitara TV mwikale kurungi mubai.
Akitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.